If you've ever seen a projector demo that looked absolutely unreal and then you brought one home and it somehow looked washed out, soft, or just plain disappointing, you are not alone. In 2026, the projector market is packed with 4K labels, laser buzzwords, and big brightness numbers, but what actually matters is how the projector fits your room, your screen size, your lighting, and what you watch. In this video, I am breaking down my top 5 home theater projectors and which one I consider the best overall pick. I will rank them in descending order, starting at number 5, and by the end you will know which projector I would choose if I had to buy just one for a true home theater setup. Before we jump in, here's the quick cheat code. Brightness determines how well a projector holds up with any ambient light. Throw distance determines whether it works in your space without turning your room into a construction project. The light source, whether LED, lamp, or laser, affects long-term cost and consistency. And if you game at all, input lag and refresh support matter more than most people realize. Keep those 4 things in mind as we count down. Number 5 is the LG Cinebeam PF510Q. This is the budget-friendly pick that makes a lot of sense for casual home theater setups, bedrooms, apartments, and anyone who wants something small and simple without sacrificing image quality. You are getting full HD 1080p resolution at 1920 by 1080, and it uses a 4-channel RGB to LED light source. The big advantage of LED here is longevity. With a rated life around 30,000 hours, you are not constantly thinking about lamp replacements or gradual dimming the way you would with the traditional lamp projector. Now, the trade-off is brightness. At 450 ANSI lumens, this projector is happiest in a dark environment. If you can control the room lighting, it can look surprisingly sharp and vibrant for the size. If you cannot control the lighting, you should treat it as a nighttime projector, not a sunlight through the windows projector. It supports screen sizes from about 30 inches up to 120 inches, which makes it flexible. But in the real world, the sweet spot is usually a moderate screen size in a darker room, so the image stays punchy. One of the reasons this makes the list is usability. It has built-in WebOS 22 with access to popular streaming apps, so you can keep the setup clean. It also supports features like AirPlay 2 and Bluetooth, which helps if you want to stream quickly or connect speakers without running cables everywhere. And while it is not a professional install projector, it does include automatic vertical keystone correction to help you get a clean, squared image. Bottom line, the PF510Q is ideal if you want a compact, low-maintenance projector for movies, casual gaming, and streaming, especially if your room can get dark. Number 4 is the Optoma. If you want a traditional, bright, living room-friendly projector without spending premium money, this one delivers a lot for the price. The headline feature is brightness, with a 3600 lumen output paired with full HD 1080p resolution. That combination makes it a strong pick for sports, TV, and movies in spaces where you cannot fully black out the room. You also get a 25,000 to 1 contrast ratio, which helps with depth and separation between bright highlights and darker scenes, especially once you dim the room lights a little. Color accuracy is another reason people like this model, supported by its RYGCWB color wheel. In plain terms, it produces lively color that pops without the image looking dull or flat. For a lot of buyers, this is the first real home theater projector that feels like a major upgrade from a TV, especially when you push into larger screen sizes. Gamers should pay attention here too. The enhanced gaming mode is designed to reduce delay with a fast response time around 16 milliseconds. That can feel genuinely responsive compared to projectors that are fine for movies, but sluggish for gaming. There is also a game display mode that boosts visibility in darker scenes, which is helpful in competitive titles or darker game environments. Setup is straightforward with manual zoom and vertical keystone correction, and it is light enough to move if you need flexibility. The main weakness is audio. The built-in speaker is not the reason you buy it, so plan on pairing it with a soundbar, speakers, or a receiver if you want the full cinematic effect. If you want bright 1080p performance with solid gaming support at a reasonable price, the HD 146X is a strong number 4. Number 3 is the Samsung Premier. This is where we step into the premium home theater category. And it is a very different type of projector because it is an ultra-short throw 4K laser system. The appeal is simple. You can project a huge image up to around 120 inches from just inches away. That means no ceiling mount, no long cable runs across the room, and no projector sitting behind your head. The single laser system delivers sharp, vibrant images, especially in dim lighting, and it covers about 83% of the DCI P3 color gamut, which supports richer cinematic color than basic projector profiles. Brightness is rated around 2200 ANSI lumens, which means it can handle moderately lit rooms, but like most projectors, it still looks best when you reduce ambient light. One of the practical highlights is that it includes surprisingly capable sound. The built-in 30-watt 2.2-channel speakers are robust enough that you can start enjoying it immediately without being forced into an audio upgrade on day one. It also uses Samsung's Tizen OS, so the streaming experience feels familiar, with easy access to apps and smart features like voice assistant support. If you consider this model, the biggest tip is to think about the screen and placement. Ultra-short throw projectors are very sensitive to the surface they are projecting on. If you want that wow factor in a brighter room, a proper screen designed for UST setups can make a dramatic difference. And if you want a premium, clean, modern home theater look with minimal installation headache, the Premier earns the number 3 spot. Number 2 is the BenQ TK710 or STI. This is the runner-up because it hits a sweet spot between true home theater sharpness, strong brightness, and serious gaming performance, all while being friendly to smaller rooms. It delivers 4K ultra-high definition and using pixel shifting technology, producing a detailed, crisp image that looks fantastic with movies and high-quality streams. It uses a laser light source, which means consistent brightness and color over time without the ongoing cost and maintenance of lamp replacements. It covers about 95% of the Rexidon 709 color spectrum, so colors look natural and accurate, which is exactly what most people want for home theater. With a brightness rating around 3200 ANSI, lumens, it can work in both dark rooms and moderately lit rooms, giving it more flexibility than a lot of home theater-focused models. The short throw capability is a major advantage. It can produce a 100-inch image from around 1.5 meters away, which is excellent if your room is not deep enough for a traditional long throw projector. For gaming, it is genuinely impressive. You are looking at ultra-low input lag, around 4 milliseconds at 1080p and around 16 milliseconds at 4K. That is the difference between projectors are only for movies, and this actually feels like a responsive gaming display. HDR10 support helps boost contrast and dynamic range, and preset modes like cinema and gaming make it easy to tune the look without becoming a calibration expert. If you want a big screen projector that can do movies, sports, and gaming at a high level without requiring a massive room, the TK710 STI is an excellent number 2. Number 1 is the Epson LS11000. If you are looking for the best price to performance home theater projector on this list, this is it. The LS11000 delivers exceptional picture quality and a feature set that makes sense for both movie lovers and gamers who want a premium experience without moving into extreme pricing territory. It uses Epson's 4K Pro UHD technology with advanced pixel shifting and a precision glass shift plate to create a sharp 4K image with 8.3 million pixels on screen. One of the biggest strengths here is color performance. The 3LCD technology produces equal white and color brightness, which helps keep the image vibrant and consistent, especially in real-world viewing, where the room is not perfectly controlled. The laser light source is rated for over 20,000 hours, so you get long-term reliability and stable performance without the lamp replacement cycle. For HDR, it supports HDR10, HDR10+, and HELG formats, which gives you broad compatibility with modern content. With laser dimming enabled, the dynamic contrast can exceed 1,000, 200,000 to 1, delivering deeper blacks and bright highlights that make high-quality movies look more cinematic. Epson's ZX picture processor helps with real-time color and contrast adjustments, which is especially important because different content sources can vary wildly, and if you game, this is one of the most compelling reasons it wins. With HDMI 2.1 inputs, it supports 4K at 120 frames per second and delivers input lag under 20 milliseconds, which makes it a serious big-screen gaming display, not just a movie machine. Installation flexibility is another major advantage. Features like powered lens shift, focus, and more flexible placement options make it easier to dial in the perfect image without forcing your room layout to revolve around the projector. It also handles upscaling of lower resolution content effectively, so even non-4K sources can still look clean and detailed on a large screen. When you balance picture quality, HDR performance, gaming capability, and long-term value, the LS11000 earns the #1 ranking. So that wraps up my top 5 home theater projector picks for 2026. If you want compact and simple on a budget, the LG is a strong start. If you want brightness and a great value for a traditional setup, the Optome delivers. If you want a premium ultra short throw experience with a clean setup, the Samsung is a strong contender. If you want a short throw 4K option that is also a gaming beast, the BenQ is an easy recommendation. And if you want the best all-around projector when comparing price to performance, the Epson LS11000 is my top choice. If you want to check current pricing and availability for each projector, look in the description where the links are listed for every model mentioned. Thanks for watching and have a great day.